Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Wednesday morning, it's the 13th day of May, and temperatures which were in the upper 40s yesterday morning when I made this are in the upper 50s this morning, and the nights will continue to moderate, and the warming trend which started yesterday afternoon will continue today. Each day gets a little hotter. The rain chances are not zero, but very tiny each day for the next several days, so it looks like it's time to get out the hose. We'll look at the rain prospects for the next 7 to 10 days. Could we threaten a record over the upcoming weekend? And what is developing off the southeastern U.S. coastline? It's not hurricane season yet, but we could have a named storm perhaps. We'll take a look at it.
With high pressure anchored on the U.S. East Coast, we're on the hot side of it, so things continue to moderate not only during the daytime but also nighttime. I can't rule out an isolated shower somewhere in the state today, but generally speaking, with the upper edge building, the rain chances are going to remain relatively small, 10% range for the next few days. I've got us around 87 for the high temperature today. Tonight's low 63, so each day and each night continues to moderate. Winds will be light. And then tomorrow, again, well, the temperatures teetering near the 90-degree mark. The rain chances relatively small in the 10% range. Same thing on Friday. I think by the weekend, though, we start to edge probably into the low 90s, but the humidity still not out of control, still fairly not up to summertime levels as far as the humidity goes. That's good news. Could we be near a record on Sunday? I think so. I mean, the record is 93. We'll certainly be in the neighborhood. I've got us in the low 90s. We could easily, I guess, sneak up to about 93, which would be record territory. Look at the heat across the south. That's more like June, right, than May. An isolated storm possible on Monday, perhaps. I've got the rain chances bumped up a little bit to 20%. Then we'll take the rain chances back down on Tuesday as some lower humidity comes into the area on Tuesday, and we'll knock the temperature down a degree or two. But the upper high next week will get stronger, so that will continue to suppress rainfall for the next several days. So the rain prospects not looking good. Get out the hose. 89 tomorrow, or near 90, let's say, for the next couple of days. With lows at night in the low to mid 60s, rain chances 10% each day right up through the weekend. Look at the low 90s on Saturday and Sunday, and rain chances still in the 20% range for Monday, I think, with high temperatures in the low to mid 90s still. And the rainfall potential for the next 7 days, well, some of the models are not printing out anything for us as far as rainfall. Yes, there could be a rogue shower here and there, but for the next 10 days, even 10 days out, the rain chances are not good. So we're going to continue to get drier and drier as the next few days unfold. And look at the European. It's printing out some really hot temperatures. It's got us in the mid-90s some days, and lows at night continue to get warmer. So this extended period of warmth will continue. Hey, out in the Atlantic Ocean, now a 70% chance that a tropical depression or a tropical storm will form in the next 5 days, according to the National Hurricane Center. We think that will happen over the weekend. Could be a depression, could be Tropical Storm Arthur. In fact, the probabilities now from the European are likely that we'll see a depression or storm, at least a hybrid storm perhaps, over the next few days, reminding us that we're getting close to the hurricane season, which begins on June the 1st.
So the first name on the list this year just happens to be Arthur, by the way. We're live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 and live on CBS 8 and ABC 32. That's the Alabama News Network, and their morning program is called Rising. There'll be another video for you tomorrow morning. So tomorrow is Thursday. It's hard to, you got to think about each day. What is today? And then your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. Enjoy what's going to be a really nice day today. I'll see you in the park, perhaps. Have a good one.